Hey everyone, welcome to Art with Rishi. I am Rishikesh, and this video is part 8 of a 9 video series I am doing on human anatomy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw hands. So the hand, let's check out the structure first. So the fingers, each of them have 3 joints, and the thumb. This red region is the soft padding that lies under the top of the palm, this pink area actually. And the green area connects the palm to the thumb, and this part can bend depending on the position of the thumb. This purple area is the blade of the hand. It wraps around the little finger and the side of the hand. This padding completes the other side of the hand also. Now, before we start drawing, remember that the hand can not only move towards the palm like this, but they also have lateral movement like this. Yeah. Now let's construct fingers. We'll keep things really simple. First, we draw some circles. These are going to be the joints of the fingers. And we draw lines connecting them. Now, a finger has 3 joints, 2 if you don't count the knuckles. This will be the knuckle. Now, to simplify the fingers and the thumb, we just draw circles in the places where the joints are connected with lines. Now, imagine these lines are cylindrical. Pretend that their straws are connect these spheres. The second step is to draw cylinders in place of these lines. Like so. Now one of these are in place you have drawn the positioning of the bones in the finger. Lastly, all you have to do is draw in the flesh. And the nail. Different people have different types of nails, so you can vary them. Okay, now let's draw an entire hand. Now I'm going to draw an open hand. So we start with the basic shapes here. So we start by drawing this shape here. Very simple. Yeah. Now this is where the thumb will go. Let's just draw lines for the fingers first. Yeah. Now let's draw the basic shapes. Extremely rough. Now for the fingers, it goes from thin to wide and then thin again. This is extremely rough. We will be refining it later. On the little finger. So that's the basic shape of the hand. Now we can start refining it. And changed a few things up. Let's just refine it. So here the hand juts out more than the little finger and then goes back in. Then the wrist starts. Starting of the palm, the thumb. So a slightly curved line. Curved line again, and the nail area. The thumb is really bumpy. And This is the blade of the hand, like I said before, and so is this. Now here is where the fingers will start. So here's one joint, here's another, and here's another. So like I said before, we draw the cylinders. Yeah, and then we give it shape. Start from around here, because as you can see, this area is a little thinner. Like that. So this is the joint and the nail. We have another one there. Due to the joint, this area is a little thicker than the rest of the finger. This area goes thinner and a little thicker again. Like so, and this is where the joint is, and the nail will be there. Few lines there. Like so. So erase those lines. And thicker and thinner. Okay, now we can erase these rough lines. And let's refine it a little bit more. Add in some extra lines to show the skin folding. Draw the nail. You want the nail to be a little too long, like from here. Like so. Now it's only a slight part of the thumb here, the nail here, and that's an open arm hand. Now let's draw a clenched fist. Let's start by drawing these lines of motion first. These just show how the hand is going to be. Yeah. It might look weird right now, but you'll get it as we continue. I've drawn a few rough lines so you can visualize what we're drawing. Now let's draw that part of the palm that I showed you before. Goes like this. It's curved and it goes all the way down. So all the fingers would come here. Like that. It's the palm, the fingers. It's the hand. Now, like I had said before, we draw the knuckles, the circles and the dots for all the fingers. Yeah, now we solidify them. Start from here for the little finger. Make the knuckle a little flat like that. Go down. Again, this joint we have a slant. This curved line upward, and a curve right there. Okay. And the next finger, start from that knuckle. Go like this. Like so. This you can go from here, a straight line till there. Line like that. Line going down and line there. We don't have to complete the finger, you can stop it right there. This one too, we go like this, little bump there. We go down and another slanting line there. This would be the thumb. So I hope you're able to visualize the pose of the hand we're drawing. Now let's draw the little part of the little finger here, the folded parts, and there. This is the knuckles, few lines indicating the knuckles, and there. Now I have to draw the palm. Yeah. Now we can erase all these rough lines and refine our drawing. Now I've refined my drawing and drawn the nails, and you should have something that looks like this. You can draw a few more lines to show muscles. Yeah. So that is it for this tutorial. Well, that's it, guys. I hope this video has been useful. If you got value out of this video, please consider subscribing. So this video is a part of a 9-video series I'm doing on anatomy. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.